In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a missing file attachment in Gmail. Have you ever been in a situation where you were expecting to receive an important attachment, but it wasn't there? This can definitely be frustrating, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through the process of retrieving that elusive attachment step by step. First off, ensure that you have the Gmail app open or are logged into your account on a desktop. It's important to make sure you're accessing the right account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. Once you're in Gmail, you'll want to head to the search bar. This is that handy tool at the top of your Gmail interface, which allows you to sift through your myriad of emails with ease. In the search bar, type specific keywords related to the email, which may contain the missing attachment. This could be the sender's name, some words from the email's body, or even the subject line. Including the file type or name of the attachment, if known, can also refine your search. After you've entered your search terms, hit Enter to execute the search. Gmail will then comb through all your emails to quickly bring up any messages that align with your search criteria. Look through the results for the email that you believe should have the attachment. Often, you might find that the attachment is indeed there, hidden in plain sight, especially if the email thread is long. If the email is found but still appears without an attachment, double-check the email thread. Sometimes attachments are not visible on the first email, but might be attached further down in the conversation. Scrolling through the email history might just reveal the file at a different point in the thread. In the event you don't find the attachment with the above method, consider checking your spam or junk folder. Gmail sometimes flags emails with attachments as spam, and they may end up in unexpected folders. So, take a quick trip to your spam folder, where you might just uncover that important email and its attachment. If all else fails, you could reach out to the sender directly to verify whether the file was sent. Mistakes happen, and it's possible the attachment was accidentally omitted. Asking the sender if they can resend the file can sometimes be the quickest solution. Remember, keeping a tidy inbox with labeled and archived emails can help prevent such situations in the future. Regularly cleaning up your spam and deleting unnecessary emails will also ensure that important files don't get lost among the clutter. We hope this guide has been helpful to you, and you're now able to locate your missing attachments with confidence. For more tips and tricks on navigating Gmail, make sure to stay tuned to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.